Last lesson, we made the weapon glow, which was cool for about 3 seconds. Now it just looks like an expensive flashlight.
Good news! Today we're going to make it come alive.
Now we're talking.
Open the shader graphic created last time. We're going to animate the glow using a time node. Right-click and choose Create Node, then search for time. Unity updates this value every frame. It keeps increasing while the game is running.
So it's basically a clock.
Exactly. A clock your shader can use. Now create a float property called pulse speed. Create a multiply node. Connect the time output to one input and connect it to the other input. Now create a sine node. Connect the output of the multiply node into the sine node.
Why sine?
Because it creates a smooth wave that goes up and down over time. Instead of instantly switching between bright and dark, it smoothly fades.
Yes, the math I promised myself I'd never use after school.
And yet here we are. Now create another multiply node. Connect the sine output to one input. Connect your glow color property to the other input. Finally, connect the result to the emission. Save the graph.
Hey! The glow is pulsing.
Exactly.
Yeah, it's like the weapon has a heartbeat.
That's actually a pretty good way to think about it.
Wait, why does the glow completely disappear before it comes back? It's ugly. Ew.
Great question. The sine node output values from -1 to 1. When the value reaches 0 or becomes negative, the emission becomes very dark, so the weapon looks like it briefly turns off.
Can we stop that? The weapon should just glow, damn it.
Absolutely. Create an add node. Connect the output of that multiply node to the first input. And set the second input to half. Create another multiply node. Connect the add output to one of the input and also connect the glow color to the second input. Finally, connect the output of this multiply to the emission node.
Much better. Now the weapon never goes completely dark.
Exactly. Instead of pulsing between black and bright, it now pulses between dim and bright.
The pulse is nice, but it still feels like the whole weapon is glowing at once.
And we're only getting started. Right now, the entire weapon pulses together. Next lesson, we make only certain parts glow, and we'll make that glowing energy flow across the weapon.
Finally. I was worried we'd spend the entire lesson watching a sword breathe.